Welcome back everyone to Forever Acres Kitchen. This is another cocktail episode. Today we're going to be making a smoked Anejo Old Fashioned. I love an Old Fashioned, it's my favorite cocktail, and I definitely love this smoked Anejo. Today I'm going to be using the Patron. This was a gift given to me by a very good friend of mine. What a great bottle right here. I can't wait to make this cocktail for you guys. We're going to be using orange bitters and this Hella Cocktail Company Mexican chocolate bitters. Oh, this is gonna be fantastic. First, let's get into the smoking kit that I got here. I went to a bar in St. Augustine and they had a bunch of these, and so I inquired about it, went on Amazon, ordered me a kit. I have a smoking kit, but it's a box, so it's kind of bulky. You can smoke cheese, fish, what have you, but this is very good for cocktails because it fits right on top of the glass. Let me show you. All right, so let's get into what's in this wonderful box here. It comes with the torch. I've already put the butane in it. Of course, your smoker comes with the basket, hold the wood chips, but see what I mean by fits perfectly? Oops, fits right on your glass. So that's perfect right there. The kit also includes several wood chips. Got apple, pecan, cherry. That's what we're going to be using today, and oak wood. So great stuff right there for old fashions or anything that you want to smoke. So let's get right into it. Just want to add a couple pinches, not too much. You're not trying to go overkill here with the smoking. All right, now we'll set that to the side and let's start building our drink. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your sugar cube in your mixing glass. So let's hit it with 3 dashes of your orange bitters. 1, 2, 3. 3 dashes of your chocolate bitters. 1, 2, 3. And then a little splash just to help. Take your muddler and just start breaking down those sugars. This is kind of why I prefer using the plastic one as well, because the plastic one's not going to absorb any of the liquid, especially the bitters. So I prefer using the plastic one. But a wood one's fine. You just might want to add a dash more of your bitters. Okay, now that we have that, we can go on to the best part. Yes, that tequila. This is a Barrel Select Anejo. Fantastic. Thank you again, Rick, for this bottle. I'm loving it. 2 ounces of that. And I like to give it just a nice little stir just to continue break down the sugars a little bit before adding the cube of ice. Now you're going to want to add your large rock of ice, and we're going to stir this for about 30 seconds. All right, now go ahead and get your chilled glass. Chilled glass there. And now you can add a large ice rock to that. There you go, straighten it right over that. Now, before we garnish or anything, of course, we want to smoke it. Now, mine did not come with a dome, so I'm just going to use that to trap that smoke in there. Just let it smoke, you know, a couple seconds to your liking. Oh, look at that. And now we garnish with that dehydrated orange slice. And there you have it, a smoked Anejo Old Fashioned. Let's have a sip. Let's check it out. Man, those chocolate bitters, that right there with the orange bitters, that is fantastic. You get that nice aroma. Like I said, leave it as long as you want, as much smoke as you want. This is perfect balance to me. You get the nice aroma of the smoke, cherry smoke. You get the wonderful taste of the bitters. And of course, I mean, how delicious is that añejo? You can just have it by itself, but make this. There you have it, folks. Anejo Old Fashioned. You make it. Let me know what you think. Till next time, drink well, my friends. Drink well. That's a good drink.